Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Versa headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new H4 headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle's engine is off and has cooled down completely. It's also a good idea to park on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin any work. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove two plastic retaining clips located on the top of the bumper, right above the headlight assembly. After that, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well, near the headlight. Sometimes, you might find a few extra screws holding the fender liner in place. Remove those if necessary to gain better access. With access gained, it's time to swap the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This usually just pulls straight off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and carefully pull it out. Now, take your new H4 bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it, twisting clockwise to secure it in place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert any screws you removed. Then, secure the two plastic retaining clips back into the top of the bumper. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your Nissan Versa's headlights to confirm that your new bulb is working correctly. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.